This is our short video on Polartec NeoShell with no stretch. On our NeoShell pages, you'll see a link to a PDF that you can open up so that you can compare the styles that we carry with each other. This chart showcases the style number, what the back of the fabric style is, the face of the fabric, the colorways, composition, the width, and the weight of the fabric in both ounces per square yard and grams per square meter. We group them by their back fabric. This is done because these, with all the same back fabrics, tend to look visually the same. You'll note the differences in these last three columns. Of the no stretch category, we have styles with a nylon tricot back and styles with a membrane. The nylon tricot styles are a 3-layer laminate, whereas the ones with just the film membrane as the back are a 2-layer laminate. Here's an example of the 2-layer laminate. This is the back of the fabric, and you're actually looking at the waterproof breathable membrane here. There's no other fabric laminated on top of it. The black side is the face of the fabric. These are very lightweight styles, and so are suitable when you're looking for an ultra lightweight waterproof breathable shell. The disadvantage of the ultra lightweight ones are that there's no fabric protecting the membrane, so sometimes you have to be a little bit more careful with their use. This is a style with a nylon tricot back, and this will probably look familiar to many of you, as this is what is often used as the backing fabric in a waterproof breathable shell. The white that you're seeing through the mesh is the waterproof breathable membrane, and then the face of the fabric shows the color. So in our no stretch category of Polartec NeoShell, we have styles with a nylon tricot back, and we have styles with just the membrane back. These are the waterproof breathable NeoShells with no stretch.